It's interesting to think that although research is one of the most collaborative fields in existence, there is no centralized medium for research communication. This creates a major strain on both students and researchers alike, as students find it hard to discover interesting projects and communicate with researchers in their field, and researchers are constrained on what talent they can use to fuel their experimentation. As soon-to-be college students, we experienced this problem firsthand, as finding professors required us to jump through many hoops and scour the internet for resources. We thus decided to create Research Finder, a centralized platform for connecting students and researchers around the globe. In order to create this program, we used Flask for an API, which communicated with our Firebase database. Firebase handled both our authentication and our data storage, which allowed us to easily store our projects and our user data. For the front end, we used React and styled it with a CSS framework called Bulma. Then, for emails, we used SMTP services, and finally, for profile picture storing, we used the Imager API.
Alright, so let's do a live demonstration of this. So we'll start off with making a researcher account. So we'll go to here, and then we'll call this dude, wait, what was the name? Joseph Smith, and then for his email, we'll do josephsmith@yotmail.com. Password, something like that. Field study, we're gonna do artificial intelligence. And then I have some text here ready to copy for his experience. And then after this, we'll click submit. And then we'll go here and we need to verify this dude's email. So then click here. So it's been verified. And then we can log in. So, and this dude's smith@yotmail.com. So here is what you see when you first log in. What I want to do here is upload a profile picture for this guy. So I have one selected here. Then I click update. So it looks like it works. So if I refresh here, we have a profile picture for this guy. And then we can add a project that I want students to apply to. So I have some stuff ready. This is just a generic machine learning project. Let me grab the description. Alright, so it looks like it worked. Now let's go make a student account so that he can apply to it. So let's register here. This guy will be called Reed Lopez. And it can be Reed Lopez at yotmail.com if I can. And then password, we can do machine learning or computer science. And then I have some experience prep for this dude as well. Alright, we gotta verify it now, so here it is. And then log in. At yotmail.com. So we see this here. I'll go and add a profile for this guy as well. So update. Yep, so there's the profile picture. And I want to, this is the project that we just created, so I want to apply to that. And when I'm applying to that, I could be like, hey, I see this project, comma, and it seems interesting. I look forward to hearing back from you. So once I click apply here, I should get a success message. Yep. And then the researcher we have here, or here. So this is the researcher account. We should get that. Okay, sorry, this is the wrong account. This is the researcher's account. So we can verify that here. And then if we refresh, we get that Reed Lopez. That's the student account we just created, just applied to the project that we created. And then we see their message. We get their email. So we could do it through there, or we could go to chat, and then I can look for Reed Lopez here. Here is like, hey, comma, when are you available to meet? Send. And then we can go here. This is Reed Lopez. If we go to chat now, whoa, I think it was Joseph Smith. So he does that, and then I could say like RO at 5 p.m. And then we could go back and say, sounds like a good time. Let's see you then.